Next, we will take a look at pictograms, also known as picture graphs. The image below shows a pictogram of students' favorite fruits. Each picture represents a certain quantity, and you must include a key to show what one symbol means. Let us now go through an example together. The pictogram here showcases students' favorite desserts. Once again, when drawing a pictogram, we must remember to include a key to explain what each symbol means. Looking at the pictogram, what is the most popular dessert and what is the least popular dessert? I'll give you some time to think before we go through the answer. Since brownies have the greatest number of symbols, that means that most students' favorite dessert is brownie. Therefore, the most popular dessert is brownie. Now, let's try something trickier. What is the ratio of the number of donuts to the number of brownies? The image shows that the ratio of donuts to brownies is 4:8, which can be simplified to 1:2. So, you might be wondering, how is a pictogram related to a bar graph?
Smash your maths exams. Download Learn Maths Today for real exam questions and achieve top marks.